my life before this beautiful topper, it was sad. I was afraid of my own reflection, and it was scary. Every time I went clothes shopping, wearing a hat, it was so hard because it did not look right. When you have beautiful hair, long hair, which you see it all in magazines, all these beautiful models. I mean, I know I'm not a model. I don't want to be them, but when I wanted to wear a dress, it did not look right. It did not look right. And even a sweatshirt or something like that, it looked like something was missing. My life, since I have this beautiful topper, it's incredible. I have mirrors everywhere. I cannot stop taking selfies. I mean, selfies, no matter what. Pictures, I look and I just go like this. When I go outside, it could be windy, could rain, could snow. It doesn't matter. I feel that freedom. This is freedom, free. You know, I mean, beautiful, freedom, free, and not afraid. It's just incredible because I feel happy. And when I feel happy, also the people around me, they're all happy because they see me, but why are you smiling? And I go, well, because I'm me. You know, I had got my hair back. And I don't think it's a topper, it's mine, it's my hair. I can pull it up, I can do anything I want to. And if I tell you, this has really, really changed my life. The people, they reach out to me, that they saw my happiness, okay? All my friends, they go, I want to have your hair. People that have beautiful hair, they go, I want to have your hair. And I go, well, you got to be bald to have my hair, you know? I mean, I cannot say enough.